హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం 6th క్లాస్ సైన్స్ 10th లెసన్ చేంజెస్ అరౌండ్ అది నుంచి ప్రాక్టీస్ బిట్స్ చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, రస్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ ఐరన్ ఈజ్ ఏ కెమికల్ చేంజ్, బి టెంపరరీ చేంజ్, సి ఫిజికల్ చేంజ్, డి నాట్ ఏ చేంజ్. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ చూసినట్టయితే ఆప్షన్ ఏ కెమికల్ చేంజ్. అండ్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, మెల్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ వ్యాక్స్ ఈజ్ డాష్ చేంజ్. ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఫిజికల్ చేంజ్, బి టెంపరరీ, సి బోత్ ఏ అండ్ బి, డి నన్ ఆఫ్ ది అబోవ్. Melting of wax is a physical change. Option A is the correct answer. And third question, explosion of fireworks is a physical change, B temporary change, C chemical change, D none of the above. Correct answer is explosion of fireworks is a chemical change. Option C correct answer. And fourth one, coal is a common fuel, B fossil fuel, C liquid fuel, D gas. Correct answer is option B fossil fuel. And fifth question, formation of seasons are due to A weather changes, B Earth's revolution, C Earth's change, D long duration days. Correct answer is option B Earth's revolution. And sixth question, which of the following is not permanent change? A boiling of egg, B rusting of iron, C cooking food, D cold milk to hot milk. Correct answer is D cold milk to hot milk. And seventh question, changes in which heat is liberated are called A exothermic changes, B rapid changes, C endothermic changes, D none of the above. Correct answer is exothermic changes, option A. And eighth question, days are longer in option A summer, option B rainy, option C winter, option D all of the above. Correct answer is days are longer in summer. Option A is the correct answer. Car accident, option C heartbeat, option D eruption of volcano. Correct answer is C heartbeat. And 10th question, curd is dash form. Option A solid, option B semi solids, option C liquid, option D gas. Correct answer is option B semi solids. And 11th question, beetle twinkles during dash season. Option A summer, option B winter, C rainy, option D none of the above. Correct answer is rainy season. And 12th question, days are shorter in the month of A May, B December, C September, D all of the above. Correct answer is B December. And 13th question, days are longer in the month of A May, B September, C December, D all of the above. Correct answer is A May. And 14th question, we wear dash clothes in winter. A woolen, B cotton, C both A and B, D nylon. Correct answer is A, option A woolen. And 15th question, in general on heating metals, A contract, B expand, C can expand or contract, D none of the above. Correct answer is B expand. And 16th question, we prefer tea, coffee in dash season. A winter, B summer, C rainy, D all of the above. Correct answer is A winter. A is the correct answer.
Thanks for watching.